Hello friends, this is Manpreet Kaur. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will be discussing some of the tips and tricks to deal with the IELTS reading section. In the today's session, we will cover yes, no, not given or true, false, not given. Now let's just do few of the examples. First example is, the first question is, networking is worn like a badge exclusively in the business world. Worn like a badge means given importance or given great importance. It means networking is given a great importance. Exclusively means only in the business world. So our question means that networking is worn like a badge or given great importance only in the business world. And in the passage it is given, this concept is worn like a badge of distinction and not just in the business world. So here it is given not just in. It means not only in. So the information which is given in the passage totally contradicts the information that is given in the question. So our answer will be no. Clear? So here the trap was given exclusively and not just in. So look for these kind of traps when you are solving such kind of questions. The next example is, people fall into two basic categories. In the question it is given that people fall into two basic categories. From this question we get the information that people are divided on the basis of two categories. So we have to look for the words divided, fall or two basic categories. In the passage it is given that people can be divided basically into those who keep knowledge and their personal contacts to themselves and those who are prepared to share what they know and indeed their friends with others. By looking towards this question, some of the candidates may write it as not given. Why so? Because in this we get the same keywords, divided, fall into. It means the same. But it is not given that it is divided into two categories, two basic categories. Some of the candidates may write it as not given because they can say that 50% information is given. Here if we look properly at the passage, people can be divided basically into those and those who are prepared. It means this is the first type and this is the second type. In the passage it is given indirectly that people are divided into two basic categories. So our answer will be yes. So in the passage it is given in detail about those categories, but in the question it is simply written that people are divided into two basic categories, and in the passage it is given in detail that which are those categories. Clear? So read out the passage as well as question properly and interpret and analyze the question properly so that you get the appropriate answers. And the last question is, the classic networker is physically strong and generally in good health. What does the question means? The question means that the classic networker is physically strong and generally in good health. He is talking about the general good health as well as physical strength of the classic networker. And what is given in the passage? It is given that the classic networker is someone who is strong enough within themselves to connect different people including close friends with each other. Here what is given? Here it is written that classic networker is someone who is strong enough within themselves to connect. In terms of connection with friends, he is physically strong, including close friends with each other, but there is nothing given about good health of the classic networker. So again here is a trap. Some of the person will write no. Why no? They might say that it is not matching. Not matching, some of them interpret that not matching means no, but not matching means not given. Why not given? Because 50% of the information is not given in the passage. Here the main thing is that writer is claiming that the classic networker is physically strong and generally in good health, that the classic networker is healthy person, but in the passage it is not written that the person is in good health or not. It means good health or health is not given in the passage, so our answer will be not given in spite of no. Now some of the candidates may write yes. Why? Because they may say that the classic networker is physically strong. It is given in the question, and it is also written, and in the passage it is written that the classic networker is someone who is strong enough within themselves to connect different people, including close friends, with each other. It means they are in the passage. What does it mean? It means that in relation to connection he is enough strong, but not in case of physical strength or the good health. Clear? So it will not yes, it will not be no, our answer will be not given, because half of the information or the only one or two keywords are matching, but not the meaning of the question matches with the meaning of the question. Clear? So these were the examples. So this is all about today's class. If you like the video, kindly like and share it with your friends. Thank you for joining us.